سبور. مساء الخير.
سبور.
مساء الخير. استاذ سعود.
ايوه
يا فندم، اتفضل اتفضل.
ثانك يو.
محمد الدرمندي، هيد اوفيس الشركه.
اهلا وسهلا.
انت جاي النهارده تعمل انترفيو معانا؟
بالظبط كده، كنت قريت الاعلان واتصلت بيه.
انت عارف ان شروط التقدم للوظيفه ان انت لازم تكون بتتكلم انجليزي كويس.
الحمد لله. ثانك يو.
بتتكلم انجليزي كويس، مش ثانك يو، تتكلم انجليزي كويس، يعني في محادثه.
الحمد لله، ان شاء الله باذن الله في المقابله يعني هيبان، يعني هيبان كل حاجه.
طيب اوكي، let's do it. Introduce yourself.
I am حسام محمد عبد الرازق. I am حسام محمد.
Okay.
And I graduated the faculty of social work.
Okay, again.
I graduated.
No.
Graduated.
I graduated. Okay, again,
I graduated faculty of social work.
No. You graduated faculty or you graduated from faculty of.
I graduated.
Okay. قولها مرة واحدة.
I graduated.
قولها مرة واحدة.
I
graduated from. Okay.
I graduated from.
Okay. And
from faculty of social work in Fayoum University.
In
Fayoum University.
From Fayoum University.
Yeah, from Fayoum University.
Okay. How you?
I worked before.
No. I asked you about your age.
Yeah, I worked before Riot Tree Company.
What?
I worked before Riot Tree Company.
Riot Trade
Company.
Company. Okay, you worked as. What's your position?
I 13 years.
No. I asked you about your position, not 13. Okay, مركزك.
Sales of outdoor.
Yeah, sales of outdoor.
Yeah,
sales of outdoor. And how much your salary before? How much your salary before? How much فلوس كنت بتاخد كام؟ انت كنت بتاخد كام؟
Yeah. 1800.
No, by English. How much your salary?
1,800.
100.
Yeah.
Look, 100. Okay, say it again.
Thank you.
Say it again.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Say it 100, not 100.